last thing they need out there. Kevin Craig standing by with our forecast as well. Not too bad for us, though, Kev.
No, we're in pretty good shape. If you like rain, there's some of that coming in overnight. Good evening, everybody. That's right. Triple-digit temperatures in California. 93 in Denver today. Tomorrow, more than a foot of snow, maybe a foot to a foot and a half of snow in the higher elevations of Denver. We don't have anything going on out there right now. Here are Labor Day extremes, since this is Labor Day 2020. 1954 was a popular year for both Grand Rapids, Kalamazoo, and Muskegon, with the high temperatures there. Those were the warmest temperatures. These were the years of the coldest temperatures and the wettest years for Grand Rapids, or the wettest year. 1.6 inches of rain in 1987 on Labor Day, 2 inches of rain on Labor Day for Kalamazoo in 2015, and an inch and a half in 1939 in Muskegon. So I just thought I'd throw that out there for you folks. In our weather headlines, showers develop overnight. I'm already seeing that on radar just off to the north, the south and west, and there may be a rumble or two of thunder, but we're not looking for severe weather. Going to be wet and kind of chilly tomorrow with that biting northeasterly wind. Drier for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Here's what it looks like on radar right now. There's a couple of thunder showers breaking out here off over the southern base of Lake Michigan, and there's more further off to the south and west, which I'll show you here momentarily. We've dropped into the mid-50s up in our northern counties, 62 in Grand Rapids, mid-60s here. There's going to be a pretty good temperature spread tomorrow. It's going to be mid to upper 60s here, low 60s here, about 60, 62 here, and then our northern counties probably won't get out of the 50s for high temperatures tomorrow. Here are our current temperatures. You can see the colder air beginning to infiltrate into the front range of the Rockies and the northern Rockies and the central Rockies. That's going to keep on heading south. Look at our temperature highs for today. We made 77 in Grand Rapids, 98 in Wichita, 93 in Denver. Yeah, they got snow in the forecast tomorrow with about 3 to 6 inches, and the higher elevations could see a foot and a half. As you can see, the loop here over the last 6 hours, all this precipitation is going to continue to develop out here and move our way. And yes, as you look out over Wyoming, that's all snow. That colder air is going to plunge down into Colorado, and Denver will see snow. A lot of those places, especially the higher elevations, will see that. And this system that's going to create the colder temperatures and the snow will eject or be kicked out of that area and work into the upper Midwest. It may give us a chance of some showers by the time we get into Saturday and Sunday, probably later Saturday and Saturday night into Sunday morning. For tomorrow, 62 degrees, a little bit warmer down to the south of Grand Rapids, a little bit cooler to the north of GR. Off and on rain showers for the good part of the day. It may start to taper off as we get into the mid to late afternoon or the evening hours, and that northeast wind at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. No high beach hazard risk out there, no small craft advisories for boaters. Waves finally tamed down about 1 to 2 feet. Here are your Lake Michigan water temperatures, and again, we'll have a northeast wind out there at about 15 to 25 knots with showers and maybe some storms there. This front is a stationary front. It is just that. Over the next couple of days, it meanders back and forth a little bit. It stays stationary. Warmer air pushes up from the south, overruns or pushes over the top of the cooler air, and we see all that rain that's going to break out here. You can see the snow that's on the map there in western portions of Nebraska. As we get into Wednesday, there may be a few lingering showers in the morning, but I think a lot of Wednesday will be dry here. That rain goes farther to the north, and then as we get into Wednesday night into Thursday, it looks dry. High pressure is going to start to build in and push all of this down, and Thursday and Friday look dry as well. Now, how much rain are we talking about? Don't get caught up in the exact number. I want to show you something from 3 models, and we're looking for consistency here. The European model from this rain system is delivering about 1.5 inches to about 2.25 inches. That's on the high side. Let's look at the GFS forecast model. Again, we're looking for consistency here. This is a lot less. I think probably 1 inch or less from this model. And then as we look at our in-house RPM model, you can see this is in the neighborhood of about 1 inch, maybe a little bit more than that. I think what's probably going to be common around the area is probably about 1.25 inches to about 1.5 inches. But the other takeaway here, folks, everybody gets in on rain. This is a widespread rain event as we head through the overnight hours and then into our Tuesday before it wraps up on Wednesday morning. So 62 tomorrow with rain likely, maybe a rumble of thunder in there, but we're not looking for severe weather. Should get up to about 70 with a little bit of sunshine on Wednesday. There could be a few lingering showers left on Wednesday, but that all lifts to the north. Thursday, 68 degrees, dry. Friday looks dry as well, high of 72. We're 77 on Saturday with a chance of some PM and some night showers from that system that's going to give Denver the snow. And then Sunday, chance of some morning showers, 74 there, and then we're still hanging on about 70 or so as we get into next week, Monday. Derek, Janice?